So we are going to talk today about Oscars, about movies. Have you ever seen a film about robots?
Yes.
Yes. Who has? Okay.
I've seen Wall-E. It's about a little robot that is created to clean up the human's rubbish. But when the rubbish situation in Earth gets too bad, the humans leave Earth with a spaceship, and they leave Wall-E on Earth to clean up the mess.
Alone.
Yes, and when humans send a mission to Earth to find life, or another robot named Eve finds Wall-E, and then Wall-E goes with Eve to the human spaceship, then brings the life from Earth to the spaceship, then the humans go to Earth to inhabit it yet again.
Okay. Did you enjoy that movie?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else that has seen another film? Yes.
I've seen Transformers some years ago, and I can remember that it was a movie about robots that are ruling the world, and there are like little cars that transform into robots. I didn't really enjoy the movie because I didn't really like. It was too sci-fi for me, and I'm a little bit of a 90s person and that, so I didn't enjoy it very much, but it was nice.
Okay, it was nice to you. Yes, Laird.
I've seen the Terminator Judgment Day. It was made by James Cameron. It's a movie about T-800 Terminator who comes to protect a 10-year-old kid. But the Terminator sent the T-1000 to exterminate the T-800 and the kid. The kid was John Connor. He was a future human leader against robots in the war, but they wanted to kill him. So when he meets with T-800, they run away, but the T-1000 chases them. And my favorite part is when the T-800 blows up the police station.
Okay, so in the end, he...
Yes, in the end, the T-800 and John's mother, Sarah Connor, killed the T-1000 in the end.
According to you, is it important the cast of actors that the director has chosen?
Yes, Arnold Schwarzenegger is the most important actor in the movie for me.
You are going to guess the movie, the film, and you are going to mention what are they famous for. Actually, Wall-E was already mentioned by Early, and the T-800 character, which was Terminator 2, was already mentioned by Laird. But you have to focus, and then we are going to guess what the text is about, and when we are going to listen to the text, then we are going to check if your guesses were correct, okay? So, just 2 minutes, and we are going to discuss here. Given the fact that we have already mentioned the two films or movies, the third one has remained unmentioned. So, any one of you that knows what is it famous for?
I heard about the movie and the novels. I know that this movie is very famous because the robotic laws that are now are based on the laws that the writer wrote in the original novel.
In the original novel. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to read in silence, to reread it, and you are going in groups to decide if the sentences are true, false, or it doesn't say in the text, okay? Now, in silence, keep working. Thank you. Which group is ready? Wow. Ira.
So the first one is Wall-E lives on Earth. This is true because it's mentioned in the text.
Where is it mentioned? Illustrate it. Read the sentence that makes you think it is true.
machines to collect rubbish. However, all the humans have left the earth because it's polluted and Wall-E is left alone.
Okay. Now, Bora.
Wall-E is very clever. Doesn't say, but I think that he is very clever because it is designed and built by humans to collect only rubbish.
Yes, but it is your opinion, okay? So in the text it doesn't say anything about that. Andy, the next one?
Third one. Terminator 2 was directed by James Cameron. Is it true? Because said Terminator 2 Judgment Day is a starring science fiction film. It was directed by James Cameron.
Directed, it doesn't matter. Reina? Group 6.
He appears in Wall-E. This is false because there are two different movies and they...
Okay. Do you all agree? Okay, yes?
5. T-800's mission is to destroy Earth. It's false because its mission is to protect it.
To protect it. In what way? Shh, please. In what way?
By protecting a 10-year-old kid.
By
By protecting the 10-year-old kid that will save the human race.
The Centennial Man cost a lot of money to film. This sentence doesn't say in the text.
Yes, Erman?
The Centennial Man is a computer-animated science fiction film. This is false because the Centennial Man is a fascinating science fiction drama, not a computer.
Science fiction drama, not a computer animated one. The next one, Bjorni?
Andrew has got a family of his own, doesn't say.
We are going to understand the learning outcomes that we are going to achieve for today. So you are going to predict the content of a text, which was what you did by predicting what the text was going to be about when you focused in the photos. You are going to read for specific information, which is what you did. Now you already read it and searched for or looked for specific information inside the text. Make sentences by using keywords, the keywords that I already mentioned to focus on in the check these words box. You are going to answer the questions of a quiz. We are going to have a bump quiz. And you are going to complete if sentences in groups. We are going to make a competition. And we are going, or you are going to talk about Oscars. Exercise number 3, page number 83. Make notes under the headings. Use them to write a few sentences about each film. In what ways are the stories of the robots similar? Okay? Now, you are going to complete the characteristics of the movie under each heading. Okay? And when you are done, we are going to discuss them here. Now, I'm going to pass on some blank sheets. Okay, then.
Terminator 2 does Wall-E from the name is Terminator 2 Judgment Day. Sci-fi thriller. Director was James Cameron. The plot. T-800 wants to protect the soon-to-be 10-year-old savior of human race from T-1000.
From T-1000. Anyone else? Yes.
Centennial Man.
Centennial Man.
8 is the recognition. 5 is a science fiction drama.
A science fiction drama. Do you all agree?
Yes. Or science fiction. Director is Chris Columbus, and the plot is a robot named Andrew is designed with the first, but then decides to kill the reflection.
This was the last one, yeah.
The name of the first movie is Wall-E. It's a computer animated adventure. Its director is Andrew Stanton, and the plot is Wall-E is a robot programmed to collect rubbish. After the humans leave Earth because it is overpolluted,
resolve a solution with the aid of another robot.
Another robot. Now, yeah, Era.
Similar things.
Okay, that was what we're going to do next. Yes. So we are going to mention the similarities and the differences between these movies, yes, or these films. Yes.
Yeah, all these films topics contains humans and robots relation and how humans sometimes need help from robots, from not that important things such as houseworks to save the human race.
Okay.
All of these movies talk about a robot that contradicts our idea of a cold, heartless robot and try helping or relating to humans by any means, even if it takes their life.
Okay. What about you? Have you got any idea about, yes, the similarities? Yes.
Similarities, as Era said,
Okay, actually, okay, it doesn't matter.
that it describes the relationship between humans and robots, the importance of robots in human life, and that's all. I think.
Imagine you are Wall-E. What solutions would you give to Earth, according to the problems that you know? You have to wait. Bjorni? Is there any problem that you might love to give a solution to?
I give them maximum
And what do you consider the maximum?
to work so much. And work so much to bring
That's what humans do. Imagine you were a robot. You are Wall-E. So what is the most a robot can do?
He's clever. And he,
So you'd use your cleverness?
yes. I don't think I have feelings. But I
You don't expect to have feelings.
yes.
Era?
If I were Wall-E, I think I would convince scientists
Okay.
to build other robots of my kind, so that every city would have the opportunity to be as clean as the city where I would live.
Yeah.
Since in the movies, Wall-E was really smart and he could change his own parts with the other robots that weren't working. If I were Wall-E, I would fix the other robots that were off, and I would program them to find as many life forms as possible and try to plant as many trees as possible.
Okay.
The
Yes.
problem is, as a robot, if you were a robot, you want to think efficiently and you want to work logically, so it doesn't cost as much and it doesn't do such bad things to the environment. But as humans, we just want to profit ourselves, so that's the bad part about talking to the government and people in general.
And people in general. We are going to get a reorganization, of the groups. Now you are going to number 1 to 6, and each number 1, because you are going to remember your number, each number 1 is going to sit to this table. Each number 2 to this one, and so on. Okay? Now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1.
5. You are 5. And you are number 1 or number 6, it depends. Okay, so all number 1s come to this table. Only number 1s. We are going to start with a quiz. Now, what kind of movie is Wall-E? A computer animated film, a computer adventure film, a computer animated adventure film? Yeah?
A computer animated film.
Yeah? A computer animated adventure film. So, this group, or Gito, please. This group, group number 1, minus 1. Minus 1. And group number 5 has got 1 point. So you said a computer animated film. Okay, so you got 1 bomb. Okay, now, The next one. Why was... I haven't even read it. Marco was the first one. To collect rubbish. So it is... Group 6 got 1 point. Question number 3. Why had all humans left the earth? Early was the first one.
Because the pollution had grown a lot.
Because the pollution had grown a lot. Actually, you won a team battle. Which team do you want to battle?
Ourselves.
So team number 5. Okay. Choose one leader. Early. Come here, please. And you are going to choose another leader. Yeah. Now, you are going to battle rock, scissors, paper with another team. You know what rock, scissors, paper is?
Rock, paper,
So,
scissors.
rock,
Paper, scissors.
okay. Winning team gets 3 points.
Paper, scissors.
Okay, who wins?
Me.
You win. Okay, so group number 5 gets 3 points. Actually, the correct answer here was... Yes?
Because C, because it has to call
Because it had become really polluted. So group 3 gets 1 point. Question number 4. Be attentive, please. Please. What was Eve?
He was a search robot.
It was a search robot. So group 6 takes 1 point. Question number 5. Who was Terminator 2 directed by? Lorenzo.
James Cameron.
James Cameron. Okay. Group 6. Group 7. Atea?
10 years old boy.
So what was T-800 programmed to do? Protect a 10-year-old boy. Okay. So we are going to question number 8. What was the robot's name in the film? Andrew. Do you all agree? Okay, so Andrew. Group number 2, okay? So they have got 1 point. Okay. Question number 9. You are 2 questions apart from the victory, okay? So group 6 and group 5 are fighting each other. Who's going to win? Who's going to be the winner? Did Andrew have a problem? If yes, what was it? Be attentive. Yes, Andy?
Yes, he read your mention.
Well, he had a problem. He was not like all robots. He had emotions, human emotions.
Okay, so he had human emotions, okay? So this is a complete answer. That's why, that's why you get 2 points. What was Andrew designed to do?
He was designed to do housework.
To do housework. So that was a correct answer. So group 6 is the winner. Okay, well done. A big applause. We are also going to do another group activity, and each group is going to get one of these flashcards, and in groups you are going to complete the sentences, the if sentences that the flashcard contains, okay? When you are finished, group 1, for example, is going to exchange flashcards with another group. And then you are going to correct any possible mistake that the other group might have made. Okay? Okay, the group representatives come in front of the class, the leaders. Okay.
The first sentence, if I were you, I would buy the red shirt instead.
The red shirt instead. Was it correct? Yes. Do you all agree?
Yes. The second one, if I saw someone stealing a car, I would mind my own business.
I would mind my own business. It's an opinion. Why not? Well done.
If I lost my pet, I would put pictures of it all over the city streets.
You exchanged?
With group number 2.
With group number 2.
If I were you, I wouldn't lie to my parents. This is correct.
Okay, I wouldn't lie to my parents.
If I won the
A
lottery,
very good advice, piece of advice.
if I won the lottery, I would donate to the needy. This is correct. If I found a wallet on the street, I would send it to the police department. This is correct as well.
I exchanged with group number 4.
With group number 4. Where is group number 4? Here.
If I were you, I would call the cops.
I would call the cops.
If you didn't read that much,
Very short sentences. You had to think of more complete ones. Yeah.
if she didn't read that much, she wouldn't be sleeping there. Correct.
It's correct.
If you set up if you
Tidy
up your room, your mom won't be mad at you.
Your mom won't be? Wouldn't be. Okay, I heard it wrong. So all the sentences are correct. What is Oscar? Yeah, read.
Oscar is called different Academy Awards. It's a set of 24 awards given annually by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science, differently AMPAS. The winners take a gold statue that is about 4 kilograms and costs about $500,000. This
A very interesting fact. Yeah.
Of the Oscars, I heard that someone that has the surname Oscar was very rich, and he donated all of his
Income.
Yes, all of this economy and things after he died, and that's how the Oscars were made because of his money.
We are going to have a look to the trailers of some nominees for the Oscar. And then, after watching the movies and after being attentive to the words that they have chosen as being keywords for the film or for the movie, then we are going to discuss here for any extra information that you might have and which movie you like and everything that we are going to discuss here. Now.
Meet family, take a road trip, don't go back all bullshit, man. Go back and get some damn hands up your damn stomach. So you guys go out to the city?
Yeah, we're just heading out for the week.
Can I see your license, please?
He wasn't driving. I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
Lady Bird always says that she lives on the wrong side of the tracks, but I always thought that there was like a bench. But there are actual train tracks. Which name is very far, very anxious. Put the message back! shall be the most sensitive asset ever to be housed in this facility.
You may think that thing was human, stands on two legs, right? But we're created in the Lord image. You don't think that's what the Lord looks like, do you?
This creature is intelligent, capable of language, of understanding emotions. If I told you about her, I'd do anything to catch your daughter's children. I don't think those billboards is very fair.
Who can mention the titles of the movies that are that were nominees for the Oscar? Yeah.
Get Lost, Lady Bird, The Shape of Water, and the three billboards.
Billboards. Okay, are they written down there? Yeah. Okay. And okay, I noticed it. Now, what about the main characters? Have you seen the movies? Yeah, please.
I've seen Get Out, and
Get Out.
the characters are Chris, his girlfriend, and all the white people, and Cosmo. Chris is best friend. So Chris and his girlfriend
Raise your
go
voice.
to her white family, and she hasn't told them that she's black. But her family has a very dark backstory. In the 90s, her grandparents and grandma drew African Americans, and they thought that they had a more physical potential for athletics. So they put hypnosis, and they brain transplant
Okay.
into them. And when they're done, when they hypnosis them and they're completely paralyzed, and they're stuck in this dark void, and they can see what they're doing, but they can't do anything about it.
Okay.
And Chris then realizes that she has like many pictures of Afro-Americans in her closet. And there are 12.
And was her boyfriend somehow related to those African Americans?
No, he wasn't. He didn't know about them, and they were trying to kill him, kill his soul, and put Grandpa in it.
And put
they were putting
Grandpa.
options for him, as we saw in the trailer.
Okay, a very scary movie.
Yeah, that's scary.
Not that scary?
Immunity to it.
They had chosen the scary moments, the most scary moments. Yes.
What I got from the trailers of these movies is that these movies are touching and approaching really sensitive human problems, or even not problems. First, I noticed racism, which is one of the biggest problems
That the world is facing.
And the second movie, which was Lady Bird.
Lady Bird.
I noticed that there was
Pay attention.
freedom of youth and religion, which is still a problem because a lot of Muslim and atheist kids are being rejected by their families just because of their
Beliefs.
what they believe. On the third one, which was Shape of Water, was human ambition. How much can humans? How much weight can one person handle to achieve their goals? And on the last one, Three Billboards, is the brand determination.
Okay, so you consumed the third question I was going to ask you. Okay, thank you, Erli. Ira, you wanted to say something about Shape of Water?
Yeah, to describe
The plot?
So, Elisa is a woman who works as a cleaning lady in a high-secret government laboratory in Baltimore, 1962. She discovers that in this lab hides a mysterious creature in a giant tank, and she creates, I can say, a bond, a special bond with this creature, and she soon realizes that its fate lies in the hands of a government agent and a marine biologist.
How does the story end? Do you know the ending? Have you seen the movie?
I haven't seen the movie.
Yes.
We have chosen Three Billboards and The Shape of Water. These were the two movies that we liked the most.
That you like.
Shape of Water tell us how two different things can make
How to completed persons
Can complete each other. Okay.
and three brothers because a mother fight for her own daughter and make the whole city, destroy all city just to fight.
Just to find her. Okay. So the power of mother's love.
Get out, and ship of water.
Three movies?
Yes.
Out of four?
Because ship of water, we chose ship of water because that movie teaches us that you don't have to be complete, you don't have to be perfect to be someone in life or achieve a goal. Lady Bird, because this movie will relate to us in a few years because we're growing up and at some point we will have to make our own decisions. And that teaches us that we have the strength to do the right choices and we have the capability of finding our own path.
Now, the last activity, make a list of all the things that you have learned in this 90 minutes lesson or class, okay? Now, what can you do? According to the activities that we have done, you are very clear of the things that you are capable of doing. Now, complete the list and then we are going to discuss here. So you are going to write an email to your English pen friend about your favorite film. It's homework for your next class. Yeah, write an email to your English pen friend about your favorite film. So, thank you for your attention. It was a real pleasure. See you next time. Thank you.